Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video. Today I have a very interesting video for you guys. It's another reason to buy a Tesla in 2020. Something that we wait for such a long time. The Tesla owners wait for this update, and I want to show you something that it's really incredible, something that no other car on the market today can do that, and it's a big help for many people in case of an accident, in case that someone want to steal your car and stuff like that, or something happened around the car, scratching and stuff like that. Until now, you can't the car can record, because as you know, Tesla have around the car 360 degrees cameras. It has a camera up in front here, it has a camera in the back, in the reverse, and it has a camera around the mirrors on the side. So the car can record all around the car what happened in case of an accident, in case someone scratch your car or someone want to go inside the car. The Tesla can record, and the Tesla record on an USB stick. This USB stick, usually it's right here. If you look closely, here we have two USB ports. Here you have a stick that come inside right here, and Tesla will record the videos, and the videos will be on this stick, and you can take the stick until these days, until this update. Actually, you can take the stick in home or in your mobile phone, and you can check out the videos, you can check out what happened around the car. But these days Tesla come with this update that it is called, in Europe, I don't know in USA for sure, but in Europe this update, it's 2020 12 11.1. Let me show you right now. So you can see right here, 2020 12 11.1. This is the update that they make it these days. And with this update, you're no longer need to go home with a USB or go on the mobile phone to check out the footage around the car. And Tesla, with this update, let me show you the release note for the update. So here is the release note. So you have the Dashcam view. They add this Dashcam view that you are able to see your Sentry Mode videos and also your Dashcam viewers. So the Dashcam, it's really amazing. While you're driving, every time you push the sound of your horn, the car will record the last around a few minutes, and they will tell you what happened in that moment before the horn and after the horn for a few time, and then you will be able to see it here, or also in case of an accident. And also when you have the Sentry Mode activated, from here up here, as you can see, the new icon is changed. You can see this is the new Sentry Mode icon. Right now it's activated, right now it's deactivated. And when you have the Sentry Mode activated, everything what happened around the car when you are not inside the car, it will be recorded. And not only on a USB, it will be recorded also and send the video to the Tesla servers. In case someone stole your car, you can call Tesla, you can go to Tesla, and you can check out, they can check out the footage for you, and they can see who stole your car, or no matter what happened. Anyway, the video will be sent to Tesla as well. You have to keep this in mind. So yeah, let's go. So actually, when you are in parking mode, while you are in the parking mode, guys, you will be able to go right here to the screen where you are. Usually when you push this button, when you press this button while you're driving, you will save footage. Yeah, usually you save the footage. For example, you are driving, something happened, something come in front of you, you make an accident, or you want to save this moment. Either you press the horn, or you press this button right here. You push the button, you put the button here, or you put the finger there, and then it will be recorded what happened around that time. And when you are in parking mode, you have two options right here. you can see right now 2 options: save footage. Right now you can save footage, or you can go to launch view. This is the new amazing application that they add new. You go here, launch view, and look at this, guys. Look how amazing it is. You go right here in the menu, and you have in the menu all that option to see what happened. For example, you have the Sentry Mode, what happened in Sentry Mode, and you have the Dashcam. So you have all the videos footage right here in front of you. You can go to Sentry, they will show you all the Sentry Mode. You can go to Dashcam and it will show you all the Dashcam. And what it's amazing, guys, to be honest, the fact that it tell you where was that happened. It will tell you the city and the address. This is amazing. They will tell you the date, they will tell you the time, and also look at this. It's amazing. You can see the all right here. And if you want to see what happened in Kirchberg, for example, in this place, they will open up. You can see the app will open up right here. Let me show you a little bit better. Let me do it like that. I think you can see better right now, or maybe like that is better. Anyway, you can see right here all the free 4 cameras. Sorry, you can see in the front. You press the front, you see what happened in front of the car, and then in the lifetime you can see all the cameras in the same time. They work in the same time. So it's amazing. I think it's the best application that you can view your videos. And also here you can see how much time they save this. It's 10 minutes. So the car saved for 10 minutes. What happened there? So you can see a car is coming. You can go to the right camera, you can go to the left camera, you can go to the rear camera, you can go to the front camera, and you can see in all this time what was happening here. You can go forward, you can go backward. You can see how cool is that. And let me go forward for a little bit and see what happened here, because the Sentry Mode really captured this footage. And let me see right here, it should happen something right now. Look at this. You can see here on the camera, and right now you can look in the back. Look at this. How cool is that? And right now it's someone on the side. They open the door, and then if you want to see in the front, you can see in the front in the same time, and you can see someone with a bike here with the bikes. How cool is that? It's really incredible. I like that. Super nice, super nice. And here, open the door, and in the real time you can see all that stuff in the real time right here on your car. If you need this footage to go to police or something like that, you just take your USB stick, put it in a computer, send it to the police, and this will be incredible helpful also for the insurance. That's why Tesla cars have a cheap insurance, and it's incredible. To be honest, guys, it's incredible. Also, let me go back. If you go to, for example, to the Sentry Mode, another one, here's the same story, the same recording stuff, and also the car can record all that stuff while you are driving. So in the time when you are driving, they can record all this fantastic stuff. Tell me, guys, which car in the world can do that? I'm really curious, because no other car in the world it's able to save all that footage, to have it right there on the camera. And also, if you want to delete these videos, you just go to the trash can right here and then press delete. You're sure you want to delete it? Delete forever. And this one the same, delete it. And in this way you don't have to go before you have to go all the time to take out the USB stick and go home and delete all that videos. No, right now you can do it from your car. You don't have to take your USB stick to home. Everything what happened will happen in the car. So you take the stick out only when something problem. You take the stick and then you can record all that. You can send it to the police, or you can show to someone and the recording. So this is really incredible, helpful for all the Tesla owners, and not only for the future owners as well. So yeah, that was the video. I hope you enjoy it. Really, it is another reason to buy a Tesla, and another reason to make me happy every time Tesla come with an update. I know it's something incredible, and every time the car it's getting better and better with time. So I'm really happy with the car. I have it for 6 months, 7 months now, almost 10,000 kilometers. I will make another full review with it. But until then, guys, I hope it was helpful. If you want to buy a Tesla, something that I really recommend you, it's one of the best car in the world, no matter what model you buy from Tesla. Please use my referral code. I will leave it here in the video, also in the description. You will get 1,500 kilometer free supercharging, and you can use it from me. It will be a lot for me, guys. Also, if you need help, please write me, comment, ask me. I will answer everything you want. Just ask me. And thank you very much, guys, for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe, check out my other videos also. Thank you, and see you soon in the next one. Stay safe, guys, and see you soon. Bye, guys.